Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your balance on the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. Then after we tap on the little profile icon, almost at the very top there is this little balance button. We tap on this, and here we can see how much money there is on our account in the Vinted app. We can even check our spendings, spendings history, and other statistics and analysis about how and what we spend our money on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!